In 2016, an alleged altercation involving Sean Diddy Combs surfaced, involving a woman and allegations of assault. Fast forward to today, a video purportedly capturing the incident has emerged, sparking public outcry. The video's release raised questions about the statute of limitations for assault cases and the possibility of justice being served. Could this be the key to unlocking a case long gone cold? The alleged victim's identity and her connection to Diddy remain undisclosed. The lack of information has only fueled speculation and heightened public interest. With the release of the video, many are hoping for answers and accountability. The 2016 incident serves as a stark reminder of the often hidden world of accusations and power imbalances within the entertainment industry. As the case unfolds, the world watches, waiting to see if justice will prevail. The re-emergence of the 2016 incident has thrust the concept of statutes of limitations into the spotlight. A statute of limitations sets a time limit on how long after an alleged crime legal proceedings can be initiated. In cases of assault, the statute of limitations can range from a few years to several, depending on the severity. Once the statute of limitations expires, the legal system effectively loses its power to prosecute the alleged offender, even if new evidence surfaces. Proponents argue that they protect individuals from facing charges for events that occurred far in the past. However, critics argue that statutes of limitations can create insurmountable barriers to justice for victims, especially in cases of sexual assault or domestic violence. The clock shouldn't run out on their pursuit of justice. The resurfacing of the 2016 allegations against Diddy, fueled by the emergence of video evidence, has ignited a firestorm of public reaction. Social media platforms have become battlegrounds of opinion, with users expressing outrage, disbelief, and everything in between. Many are calling for a thorough investigation, and for Diddy to be held accountable if the allegations are proven true. However, others are urging caution and emphasizing the presumption of innocence. They remind the public that accusations are not convictions, and that due process must be respected. The divided public reaction highlights the complexities of such cases and the importance of careful consideration. The court of public opinion may be swift, but true justice requires a more measured and deliberate process. In the wake of renewed allegations and the surfacing of video evidence, Sean Diddy Combs has maintained a low profile. He has not issued any formal statements addressing the 2016 incident directly. This silence has been met with mixed reactions, with some interpreting it as an admission of guilt and others viewing it as a strategic move by his legal team. Remaining silent could be a way to avoid further inflaming the situation and to prevent any statements from being used against him in potential legal proceedings. The public and the media will undoubtedly continue to scrutinize Diddy's actions and his silence. The coming weeks and months will likely reveal more about Diddy's legal strategy and the potential consequences he may face. The recent emergence of video footage allegedly depicting the 2016 incident has added a new layer of complexity to the case. Video evidence can be a powerful tool in legal proceedings, often providing a seemingly objective account of events. However, it's crucial to remember that video footage can be manipulated, edited, or taken out of context. Legal teams will meticulously analyze the footage, examining its origin, any signs of tampering, and its overall reliability as evidence. Even if the video is deemed authentic, its interpretation will likely be a point of contention. Defense attorneys may argue that the footage is incomplete or that it doesn't tell the whole story. The battle over the video's significance will undoubtedly be a focal point of any legal proceedings that may arise. The allegations against Diddy have reignited a broader societal conversation about power dynamics and accountability, particularly within the entertainment industry. The #MeToo movement brought to light the pervasiveness of sexual harassment and assault, particularly within industries where power imbalances are prevalent. Many argue that the entertainment industry's hierarchical nature can create an environment where abuse can occur and where victims may fear coming forward. This case underscores the need for greater transparency, accountability, and protection for individuals within the entertainment industry, regardless of their position or status. It highlights the importance of creating a culture where victims feel empowered to come forward and where perpetrators are held responsible for their actions. The 2016 incident involving Diddy and the potential limitations imposed by the Statute of Limitations have shown a light on the complexities and potential shortcomings of the legal system. While the law is designed to protect and serve justice, it is not without its flaws, and this case highlights the challenges in balancing legal constraints with the pursuit of justice for victims. Statutes of limitations, while intended to ensure fairness in legal proceedings, can sometimes act as a barrier to justice for victims. Victims may require time to process trauma, gather evidence, or find the courage to come forward. By the time they are ready to pursue legal action, the statute of limitations may have expired, effectively silencing their voices. This case highlights the need for ongoing evaluation and potential reform of the legal system to better serve victims and ensure accountability. Examining statutes of limitations, providing greater support for victims, and addressing power imbalances within various industries are crucial steps towards creating a more just and equitable society. The emergence of the 2016 allegations against Diddy and the potential roadblocks posed by the statute of limitations have amplified calls for legal reform and enhanced victim protection. Advocates are urging lawmakers to reevaluate existing laws and implement changes that empower victims and ensure accountability. One proposed reform is extending or eliminating statutes of limitations, particularly for cases involving assault, sexual assault, and domestic violence. Another area of focus is strengthening support systems for victims. This includes providing access to legal aid, counseling services, and safe reporting mechanisms. Creating an environment where victims feel supported and empowered to come forward is crucial for ensuring that justice is served. The 2016 incident involving Diddy underscores the critical importance of timely reporting in legal cases, particularly those involving allegations of assault. While the statute of limitations can complicate matters, reporting an incident as soon as possible is crucial for preserving evidence, ensuring the accuracy of witness accounts, and increasing the likelihood of a thorough investigation. Timely reporting allows law enforcement agencies to gather evidence while it is fresh. Physical evidence can be collected, witness statements can be taken, and potential security footage can be preserved. Delayed reporting can create gaps in the timeline, raising doubts and potentially undermining the case. While reporting an incident can be a daunting and emotionally challenging step, it is often a necessary step towards seeking justice and preventing further harm. Regardless of the legal outcome, the resurfacing of the 2016 allegations against Diddy will likely have a lasting impact on the individuals involved and on the broader conversation surrounding power, accountability, and the pursuit of justice. For the alleged victim, the experience has likely been incredibly difficult and emotionally taxing. Coming forward with allegations of assault is never easy, and the public scrutiny and potential backlash can be overwhelming. For Diddy, the allegations have the potential to tarnish his reputation and impact his career, regardless of whether he faces any formal charges. This case underscores the importance of fostering a culture of respect, consent, and accountability, particularly within industries where power imbalances are prevalent. It highlights the need for clear reporting mechanisms, support systems for victims, and a commitment to creating safe and equitable environments for everyone. The 2016 incident involving Diddy, the emergence of video evidence, and the potential legal hurdles presented by the statute of limitations offer a critical opportunity for reflection and a call for meaningful change. This case should serve as a catalyst for examining existing systems, addressing their shortcomings, and working towards a future where justice is more accessible and equitable for all. One crucial step is engaging in open and honest conversations about power dynamics, particularly within industries with significant power imbalances, such as entertainment, media, and technology. Implementing comprehensive education and training programs on harassment, discrimination, and consent is also crucial. By equipping individuals with the knowledge and tools to recognize and address inappropriate behavior, we can foster a culture of respect and accountability. Reviewing and reforming legal frameworks such as statutes of limitations is essential for ensuring that justice is not denied due to arbitrary time constraints. By working together to address systemic issues, empower victims, and promote accountability, we can create a more just and equitable society for all.